I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they
So Kia has unveiled the new Sonet in India. It comes with a few new upgrades and a bunch of new features. So as you can see, we are standing right next to it and I'll walk you around the new Kia Sonet.
I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood in my tongue.
At the front was the new Kia Sonet kit light changes that can have big impact on the overall look of the SUV. A redesigned tiger nose grille, new LED headlamps are the changes you'll notice at first. Moving at side of the car, it retains the dominating stance and now it is backed by a new 16-inch alloy wheels. So this was the new Kia Sonet, which will be available in 3 engine options, 2 petrol and 1 diesel. This time, the company is offering diesel with a manual transmission option as well. So when you hop inside the cabin of the new Sonet, you will not notice much changes, but there's one significant change that you won't be able to keep your eyes off, and it's the new LED instrument cluster. So the car now gets a new 10.25-inch LED instrument cluster along with 10.25-inch infotainment display. Apart from that, everything is pretty similar to the outgoing model. You can see it gets the same small sunroof, you get the same wireless charger, the AC vents, everything. Most of the design of the car are similar. The new Sonet gets 70 plus connected car features, 25 safety features and 10 ADAS features. So when you look at the silhouette of the new Sonet, it looks identical to the outgoing model. But when you closely look to the end of the tail lamp, it's similar to the one you see on Seltos and Carens. So this was the new Kia Sonet. You'll soon see the SUV on the Indian roads and the prices of the car will be announced next month. Till then, keep subscribing to DNA.